All right, I want to thank P&P Chef for sending this out to us today. Take it out of the box, show you what it is. I'm not going to use it right now because it's early in the morning and I have no reason to use it, but I want to show you how it works and why this is a great product. So opening it up, you'll see this is a air fryer basket, and this is their large one. So when you open it up, inside the package, you'll see you get like a frying basket. It's like the old school fryer baskets, like that type of material, but it's got handles on it and it's going to fit in this pan here. So this is the pan that it comes with. This is a little bit smaller than a traditional sheet pan, but this is stainless steel. Very nice. And so the way it's going to work is you're going to take your food, whether it's French fries, chicken nuggets, chicken strips, you know, if you're doing your own like hand-breaded fried chicken, but you don't want to cook it in a fryer and you want to do it in the air fryer, this is going to be a great option for that. So you just put it on here, shake off the excess, and then you're able to set it here into this pan and put this whole thing into the air fryer. So in my house, I've got, my oven actually has an air fryer function to it. So obviously this is, if you've got a little countertop air fryer, this is not going to work for you, but this is for the people that have the larger air fryers or the ovens that can be used as an air fryer. But as you can see, as it's baking or as it's air frying, anything that's dripping will drip into this pan, so it's not going to make a mess in your machine or in your oven. And so it's a great product overall. So I'm really looking forward to this. I know that during the summer my kids are eating a lot of chicken strips and French fries and things like that. And usually they just put it on a sheet pan with paper, and that's fine and all, but it's not allowing the air to go underneath the product. And that's what's really great about this, is because it is open on the bottom, the air is able to fully engulf the food and fully air fry all the way around, as opposed to having to go in there and flip it so that it gets the air fry effect on the other side of it as well. You're getting that all in one here with this basket. So again, want to thank them for sending this out to us. I'm really looking forward to this. This is something that my family will definitely use, and if you're looking for a great air fryer basket, I would highly recommend checking out this one as well.